Okay, I'm changing these sensors for my garage door. I'll have the model numbers in the description. So first I need to remove the bolts holding these sensors onto the brackets. Next, remove the sensor. Unplug the sensor. And you can see this is the emitter. The other one would be the receiver. So my new sensors didn't come with a plug, they just came with wires, so I have to strip those. Now I have to cut the old plug off and strip the end of those wires also. I'm going to connect the wires using a wire nut. And you'll notice that on the new sensors that I got, the polarity is backwards. So the white wire with the black stripe from the sensor will connect to the solid white wire to my garage door. And the solid white wire on the sensor will connect to the white wire with the black stripe going to the garage door opener. And you can see I've got the power light on the transmitter. Okay, now to do the same thing on the other side. And this will be my receiver. Stripping the wires. Now connect with wire nuts. Okay, now we're going to test the receiver by aiming it at the transmitter and see if the green light comes on. And there it is. So next, mount the sensors to the brackets using the provided screw and nut. Slide the screw head into the slot on the sensor. Put the bolt through the hole and attach the wing nut. Okay, do the same on the other side and then we can test the garage door. It opens and it closes. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.